Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Jeannie. Today I'm excited to take a closer look at the latest Lenovo Yoga 7, a 2-in-1 laptop that's been generating a lot of buzz recently. With its sleek design and versatile features and long battery life, it's easy to see why this laptop has been turning heads. So let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. The Yoga 7 laptop this year has a super cool unibody stamping design that makes it look super sleek and durable. And you know what? The D cover is made from 50% of recycled aluminum, which is awesome for those who cares about environment and want to reduce our carbon footprint. But what's even cooler is the innovative hinge design called Drop-Down Hinge 2.0. It's designed to help with cooling down the laptop more efficiently by improving the airflow through the housing. When you fold the hinge over, like this, the A cover and the hinge cap won't touch the desk, which means the hot air won't blow towards the function area under the screen. This makes the touch surface cooler and more comfortable to use. So whether you're bringing your favorite shows or crushing a big project, this innovative hinge design will keep your laptop cool and comfy, so you get stuff done without breaking a sweat. Also, we made a few changes to the port selection this year. I've got a 14-inch Yoga 7 here, and it's got 2 USB-C, 1 USB-A, and HDMI port, plus a micro SD card reader. You get 1 extra USB-A on the 16-inch. We switched up the location of the ports from the last generation. The power button used to be pretty inside, which was a pain in the neck because you had to stretch your neck way out to reach it. And if you had a mouse plugged in, forget about it. But now, we've moved the power button to the outside, making it way easier to turn your laptop on and off. Plus, we've moved the headphone jack from the right side to the left. Move up here to the display. This year, for the 14-inch model, is increased to 91% AAR. You will be able to see more of your work on the screen, giving you a bigger area to get stuff done and making it easier to do multiple things at once. And let's be honest, who doesn't love more screen? Yoga 7 14-inch also boasts a stunning PureSight display with up to a 2.8K OLED touchscreen, 100% DCI-P3, 90Hz refresh rate, and 400 nits of brightness. This means you can expect rich and vibrant colors that really pop up on the screen, bringing your movies, photos, and other content to life. For the 16-inch, well, you can still get up to 2.5K LCD touchscreen, boop, boop, and 100% of sRGB. Well, it may not be as advanced as the 14-inch display, it still offers excellent color accuracy and a high level of detail. It's worth mentioning here, we have added anti-fingerprint coating on the glass this year. Now, the touchscreen is water and oil repellent, has low friction, and is super durable against scratches and bumps. Plus, it's even non-flammable, which is a nice safety feature. This is especially handy if you are using the laptop while eating or drinking, and because the coating is so tough. In today's hybrid lifestyle, video calls are important. Yoga 7i Gen 8 laptop is equipped with a 2-megapixel Full HD camera and smart noise cancellation technology. From work meetings to video chats, your calls will come in crisp and clear. Oh, you can see my eyelashes though. Let me tell you, the audio is seriously impressive. It comes with Dolby Atmos technology, which gives you immersive and sonorous sounds that makes you feel like you are right in the middle of the action, whether you are watching movies or jamming out to your favorite tunes. This laptop delivers amazing audio quality. And to top it off, they added smart amp technology to further enhance the sound quality and loudness when combined with Dolby Atmos. Honestly, I was blown away by how well this laptop performed on the audio front. You know what? Let's club with it! Now, let's talk about the keyboard and touchpad. The keyboard's got a 1.3mm key travel, so typing feels pretty solid and satisfying. QWER. Oh, that's gaming, sorry, this is not a gaming laptop. And the touchpad on the 16-inch model is got 135x80mm, which makes it easy to navigate and gives you more gesture options. Whether you're scrolling through pages or flipping between apps, this touchpad makes it all super intuitive. Yoga 7 is a device that's perfect for people who want flexibility and power in one. It's a two-in-one design that lets you use it as a laptop or a tablet, depending on what you need it for. It's got amazing AMD processor, and if you prefer Intel, you also have Intel processor to choose. And 16GB of dual-channel memory running at 6400 MHz and a massive 1TB SSD storage. This makes it great for people who want a device that can do a lot of different things, like completing homework and work projects to playing games and streaming movies. All this in a two-in-one convertible with a Comfort Edge design that's both flexible and ultra portable. And this year, the battery life has gotten even better, so you can stay powered up for even longer. With 71 watt-hour battery capacity, rapid charge and smart power technology keep you multitasking all day without interruption. It's the perfect device for anyone who needs to stay productive on the move. And the cherry on top of that, Yoga Pro 7 comes with a list of smart features to better improve your using experience. For example, smart gesture for you to have more interactive and engaging ways for video play or presentations. And smart battery management secretly discharges your device's battery, so it will not be fully charged all the time to extend the battery lifespan. Apart from smart features, Lenovo recommends McAfee as essential all-in-one protection to keep your data safe and secure, so you can connect with confidence. With McAfee, you can protect your online privacy automatically using a VPN that safeguards your personal data and activity as you bank, shop, and browse online by turning an unsecure public Wi-Fi network into your own personal, secure connection. Overall, the Lenovo Yoga 7 is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a device that's flexible, powerful, and easy to take with them on the go. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone who needs a device that can handle a lot of different tasks, the Yoga 7 has got you covered. And that's a wrap up for today's deep dive into the Yoga 7. We hope you've enjoyed learning about all its amazing features. If you already got your hands on the new Yoga 7, we'd love to hear your thoughts on it. So, everyone, keep on smiling, and we will catch you in the next one.